How to solve 7 power x is equal to 14. Find the value of x. So we have 7 power x is equal to 14 can be written as 7 times 2. Now we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 7 power x is equal to log of 7 times 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 7 is equal to log of 7 times 2, that means it will be log 7 plus log 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log 7 in both sides. So divided by log 7 divided by log 7. So this log 7 will be cancelled. Now we have x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be same, that log 7 over log 7 then plus log 2 over log 7 over log 7. Now we can write here x is equal to log 7 over log 7, that means 1, then plus, here you can apply rule that log a divided by log b is equal to log a base of b. So according to this rule, I can compare here log 2 divided by log 7, that means it will be log 2 base of 7. So 1 plus log 2 base of 7, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. X power x is equal to 2 power of 8. What is the value of x? So we have x power x is equal to 2 power 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now x power x is equal to 2 power of 2 times 4 is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. Now we have x power x is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.